Hey y'all, Crystal here from ChristaCoDesign. Today we're learning how to SSK, or slip, slip, knit, which is a left-leaning decrease. I'm going to slip 2 stitches from my left-hand needle onto my right-hand needle. Insert your right-hand needle into the first stitch knitwise and slide it off. And then we'll do the same on the second stitch. Now insert your left needle tip into both stitches, then yarn over and pull that loop through both and slide it off your needle. I've now knit 2 together for the slip, slip, knit. I'll repeat that but in slow motion for you. Insert knitwise, slide it off the left needle onto the right, insert knitwise into the second stitch, slide it off as well. Now insert my left hand needle tip into the 2 stitches on my right needle, and we're in position to knit them together. Slide that off and we have knit the slip, slip, knit, the mirror image of a knit 2 together.